In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from a USA bank account to a Mexico bank account using Wise in just 5 minutes. Whether you're moving money for personal reasons, supporting family, or making business payments, this process is straightforward and efficient. Let's get started. First, head over to the Wise website. If you're already a member, simply log in using your credentials. If you're new to Wise, you'll need to sign up. This step is quick and easy. Wise will guide you through the registration process, requiring some basic details to set up your account securely. Once you're logged in, the next thing you need to do is choose the currency you want to send from. In our case, that's the United States dollar or USD. This is crucial for ensuring that Wise knows exactly what currency you're working with in this transaction. After selecting the currency, go ahead and click on the Send button. This action sets the process of transferring money into motion. It's a simple step but essential, as it lets Wise know you're ready to proceed with sending your funds. Next, click on Add Recipient. At this stage, you're going to enter the details of the person who is receiving the money in Mexico. Before doing so, make sure you have their information ready to avoid any delays. Following this, you'll need to select the currency you wish to transfer your money into. This is where you'll select the Mexican peso or MXN. Choosing the correct currency is vital since it affects how the funds should arrive in the recipient's bank account. You'll then be prompted to click on Bank Details. Here, you need to enter specific information about your recipient. You will see a section titled Who's Your Recipient, where you will choose from options provided by Wise, depending on whether it is a personal or a business account. Now it's time to enter their account details. This will include the full name of the account holder, their CLAB, that's the 18-digit bank account number used in Mexico, and their CURP, which is a unique identification number used in Mexico. If you'd like, you also have the option to include their email. While not mandatory, adding their email can be useful for notifying the recipient of the incoming transfer or for extra contact if needed. Before finalizing everything, review the transfer details carefully. Go over the amount you are sending, take note of the fees being charged, and double-check the exchange rate to ensure everything aligns with your expectations. Once you've reviewed all the details and you're satisfied with them, confidently hit the Confirm and Send button. Your money is now on its way to Mexico, and you'll typically receive a confirmation with the estimated delivery time. That's it. You've successfully transferred money internationally using Wise in just a few simple steps.